Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to bookmark on Android. First, open your web browser like Chrome or Firefox and go to the page you want to save. Look for the 3 vertical dots or a star icon, usually in the top right corner. Tapping this will open a menu. From there, simply select Add to Bookmarks or Star to save that page for later. It's a quick and easy way to keep track of your favorite sites. Once you have a few bookmarks, organizing them becomes important. You can access all your saved pages through the browser's main menu, usually under a Bookmarks or Favorites section. Here, you can create new folders to categorize your links, perhaps for work, hobbies, or shopping. You can also easily rename or delete any bookmark that is no longer useful, keeping your list tidy and efficient. Finding your saved pages is just as simple as saving them. Open your web browser and tap the menu icon, then select Bookmarks or Favorites. This will display your entire collection of saved links. Just tap on any bookmark to instantly navigate back to that specific web page. For larger collections, many browsers offer a convenient search bar within the Bookmarks section, helping you find exactly what you need in seconds. For more advanced users, consider syncing your bookmarks across all your Android devices. This ensures your favorite sites are always accessible, no matter which device you are using. Many browsers also allow you to export your bookmarks, which is great for backups or moving them to a different browser. You might also explore third-party bookmarking apps for extra features, or use your browser's reading list for offline article access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.